Welcome back. Today we're going to continue with our daily life series, and we're going to change gears a little bit and start looking at the ways that we clean the house and how we can look at our body position when we're cleaning the house and really monitor our back, our neck, our shoulders, especially with something like vacuuming. We're going to start with vacuuming today. So vacuuming is something that a lot of us do. Sometimes you have someone do it for you, but often, even if you do have a house cleaner, you do have to clean up messes from time to time. So if we look at just a standard vacuum, obviously you want to get the cord out of the way and get yourself ready. When you're vacuuming, a lot of times there is some push and pull to moving the vacuum over the carpet. One of the things that I see often, obviously, is shoulders way too high. They get up by the ears and they become too problematic, and we have to shove and push and it crunches on our neck. There are usually problems. The other thing is that we get our back involved, and if we're pushing and we're moving the vacuum around, our back is doing too much of the work as our butt sticks out behind us. That can lead to, especially if you have a big house, that can lead to a lot of problems with your back over time. Instead, if you are on your feet and you can separate your feet 1 foot ahead of the other and stand back on your back heel, then allow your chest to drop down and push forward, letting your shoulder blades slide forward and pull back. And if you can go in one area, and as you go in one area, you have the back of your heel planted, then you can step, plant your heel, move the vacuum, and you work your way around the house. You could also, halfway through, always to try to make sure I'm evening out side to side, I'll plant my opposite leg back and use my other arm. This can give you a chance to see how you prefer certain movements. It will also give you a chance to see which muscles are tighter, which range of motion you have, what doesn't work well. But if you can do it on both sides, you're going to balance yourself out and really watch that shoulder position. Let your elbow drop down. Let your arms slide forward on a rib cage that's fixed and stable and steady with your ribs down, belly out. It will help you use your body in the correct manner as you go through your house and vacuum so that you don't strain your back. You use your thighs to help stabilize you. Your rib cage is down so your back doesn't take the brunt of it, your neck doesn't take the brunt of it, your shoulders doesn't take the brunt of it. You can even look at your head being slightly down. Instead of head forward and looking down through your eyes, we have our head tilted down just slightly to allow ourselves to look at the ground to where we're vacuuming. I hope this was helpful. Have a great week. If any questions at all, or if you need a little help with what your position is, take a picture, send me an email. It's amy@paberinstitute.com. Have a great week. Bye, guys.